The core control system adopts Monte Carlo environmental control system. Electrical control has protective functions. If there are emergency issues, can automatically enable backup power supply to ensure a constant temperature inside the chicken coop. Equipped with automatic alarm function that can be linked with mobile phones, real-time monitoring of chicken coops through mobile phones. Cascade devices are set up through a central control computer system. Realize the temperature inside the building, humidity, improve air circulation, lighting, and fully automated management of wet curtains, and so on. Saves energy and resources.